Got a call from GM yesterday saying they got everything I need, so I'm pulling up now. Alright, YouTube, Fade Mac in with the Chevy SS project. You know, it's your boy, you heard me. So GM had all the bolts and everything I need for the occasion. These are the new flex plate bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt these on and get my crank on next. Alright, last one going in. I think these get 74 foot-pounds, what the book suggests for these. Alright, so I got my oil pump already installed. About to torque down the bolts and grease my snout. I think the bolts get 18 foot-pounds, real light torque spec. So I'm gonna go ahead and torque that down and get my crank going on next in line. Got a little surface rust, but I'm gonna clean it up and grease everything down, and it should be all ready. Alright, time to cover up next. 18 foot-pounds for these, but you gotta get the crank all the way seated first. I'm skipping a little forward on this. Went ahead and installed my oil pan, set up my pickup tube and windows tray, everything on the inside. Got things just torqued down lightly right now, so I'm gonna come with the final torque. I'm missing a few bolts, so I'm gonna have to make another store run real quick. Alright, skipping forward again, went ahead and painted my engine and everything in the downtime, so my brother slid on sweet on that. It's way more like an engine than when I first got it. I can go ahead and get them timing cover bolts all the way torqued down now. Just like 18 foot. Throw that on this one. Let it down just a little bit. Alright, these get a pretty light torque spec to something like 30 foot-pounds or something. Real light, nothing to worry about. Okay, these, man. Ready for the next time. I think it's only missing one. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on the Chevy SS. Now, quick background on this car. I bought this car a few years back. It had gotten ran off the road in a street race. Insurance totaled it out. It got rebuilt by someone who had bought it previously. Then the engine went out on them, so I purchased it. So this is the third engine, second transmission that this car has been through. It has like 15,000 miles on the body. Still pretty new. It's been sitting around for probably about 2 years waiting on me to initiate this swap. So stay tuned for more.